Good morning, students. Yesterday we learnt about the laws of exponents, isn't it? And we understood all the 7 laws which are very important to solve the examples. Now, let us start exercise 2.1. Let us start exercise 2.1. Exercise 2.1. Okay. First question. Evaluate. Evaluate means solve. Okay. First question. 3 raised to minus 2. 3 raised to minus 2. So, you might have seen a to the power minus n is how much? That is 1 upon a to the power m. Make it positive. Make it positive. A to the power m. In the same way, so 1 upon 3 to the power, this negative sign vanishes when the thing is become, or the thing goes to the denominator. Now, evaluate, you have to put the answer. 3 square is how much? 3 square means 3 into 3. That is 1 upon 9. Okay. Now, the second question now. Minus 4 to the power minus 2. Minus 4 to the power minus 2. Same thing it is. 1 upon minus 4 as it is. Now the negative sign becomes positive. Okay na? Now 1 upon minus is there. 4 square is how much? That is 4 into 4. Means minus 4 is written 2 times. That is minus 4 into minus 4. How much it is? Minus into minus plus 4 4 is 16. 1 upon 16. 1 upon 16. Always remember, so whatever the power is there, no, whatever the power is there, this power, it means this, the base is multiplied by this much of time. That is minus 4 is multiplied by 2 times. That is minus 4 into minus 4. That is plus 16. Now the third question. 1 upon 2 to the power minus 5. Now 1 upon 2 to the power minus 5. Now here you might have seen another formula, that is a upon b to the power m. That is equal to a to the power m, that is b to the power m. Now the same formula you have to write here. Now the power is same here. Now first of all, what you have to do, if you want to change, if you want to just change the power here, what you have to do, you have to reciprocate, you have to change the numerator into denominator and denominator to numerator. That is 2 upon 1 if you write, and the power becomes plus 5. Now let us check how it is. Now let us consider this is not there. Okay, we'll do normally. So what happens? So this is 1 to the power minus 5 and this is 2 to the power minus 5. Same formula. Okay, now bring this 2 to the power minus 5 to the up, that is numerator, that will become plus, and bring this to the denominator, that is 1 to the power plus 5. So what happens now? 2 to the power 5 and 1 to the power 5 means it's 1 only. If 1 is multiplied by 100 times, the answer will be 1. 1 into 1 into 1 into 1 into put 100 times, the answer will be same. So there will be no change if you multiply 100 times or 1000 times. So now 2 to the power 5 means 2 should be multiplied by 5 times. How much it is? 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. The answer is 32. 2 has to be multiplied by 5 times. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Okay, now? So 32 is the answer. This is how the first question, that is evaluation. Now you need to remember the various formulas, various laws that should be applied wherever we are solving, evaluating the examples. Okay, now let us do question number 2 now. What is question number 2? Simplify and express the result in power notation with positive exponent. First of all, simplify and express the result in power notation. There is no need to write 8, 16, 24, 35. No. Just write in the power. First of all, you have to simplify it and put the answer in the power notation, and the power should be positive only. Okay? Okay, let us see. The first one. Just write simplify. Simplify. First question. Minus 4 to the power 5 divided by minus 4 to the power 8. Now, first of all, you write this in the general form, that is division form. That is, so minus 4 to the power 8. Now, by looking at this, you will understand which formula you are going to apply. That is law number 2. That is law number 2. What is that law? So you can write this as minus 4, okay, minus 4. Powers are same and the power, the bases are same and the powers are different. The bases are same and the powers are different. Then what you have to do? You might have remembered the formula, that is a to the power m divided by a to the power n. Now you can see the powers are different and the bases are same. Then what was the answer? A to the power m minus n. This is the law, the second law. Now according to this, so minus 4, 5 minus 8, 5 minus 8. So what is the answer? Minus 4. 5 minus 8 is how much? Minus 3. Minus 3. But what is required? You have to write the power in the form of positive. Power should be positive. Very easy. If you want to make the power as positive, what you have to do? Just put it in the denominator. Put it in the denominator. Minus 4 to the power 3. 1 upon minus 4 to the power 3. This is how the example will be done. The second example. One upon 2 to the power 3 power 2. Okay, now Now, again you have to remember which law here will be here applied. Now, what is that law? That is, this, you can write, this is of the form A upon B to the power m, that is A to the power m, that is B to the power m. First formula. Now write it. 1 square divided by 2 cube is there, right? 2 cube as it is. What is the power? 2. Now 1 square is how much? 1. Okay. Now here which formula will be applied? You might have seen the another formula, that is A to the power m to the power n is equal to A to the power m into n. This is second law. This is third law, sorry. This is third law. So now 2 to the power 3 2s are how much? 6. So this is the answer we want, because the power is in positive form. Okay. Now the third question. Minus 3 to the power 4 into 5 upon 3 to the power 4. Now, first write as it is, that is minus 3 to the power 4 into. Now this is same thing, same formula. 5 to the power 4 divided by 3 to the power 4. 3 to the power 4. Always remember one thing. Always remember one thing. If the power is even, and the base is negative, if the power is even and the base is negative, the result will be always positive. The result will be always positive. So I think you understood what I am telling you. That is, if the power is in even number, now 2, 4, 6, 8, 10 like that. If the power is in even number, the power is of even number, and the base may be any number. Base may be any number. If it is negative, if it is positive, that is okay. If it is negative, then the answer will be always in positive only. If the number is positive, the result will be positive. And if the number, the base will be negative, then also the result will be positive only. So you can directly cancel this and this. So what remains? 5 to the power 4. 5 to the power 4. That's it. Otherwise, if you want to do it, 3 to the power minus 4 is how much? Minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into minus 3 into 5 to the power as it is, divided by 3 to the power 4. 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. So minus into minus plus, plus into minus minus, minus into minus plus. Now plus. So this one, 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 this one. What remains? 5 to the power 4. Even you can do it lengthily like this also. The answer will be 5 to the power 4 only. Okay, the next example will do it. Fourth one. Okay. What is the fourth question now? 3 to the power minus 7 divided by 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Okay. Now 3 to the power minus 7 divided by means like this, divided 3 to the power minus 10 into 3 to the power minus 5. Now, I told you to remove minus sign, what you have to do? Just if the number is in numerator, take it to denominator, and if the number is in denominator, take it to the numerator. That number will become positive. Now what we have to do? 3 to the power 10 it becomes, and 3 to the power 7. Just reversing. The numerator number will go to the denominator, and the denominator number will go to the, and the sign will change. Now 3 to the power 7. Now into. Now here again it is minus sign. So just what you do? 3 to the power 5. The minus gone now. Now according to 3 to the power 10 as it is. Now you know the formula, that is a to the power m into a to the power n is equal to a to the power m plus n according to the law. Now you can see 3 to the power 7 into 3 to the power 5, that is 3 to the power 7 plus 5, that is 3 to the power 10, 3 to the power 10 divided by 3 to the power 12. 7 plus 5 is 12. Now you know the formula, that is another formula, a to the power m divided by a to the power n is equal to a to the power m minus n. M minus n. So according to that formula, 3 to the power 10 minus 3 to the power 12. So 3 to the power minus 2. But what is the requirement? The power should be positive. To make it positive, what you have to do? Bring it to denominator. So this is the answer. Okay, now do the next example. Can you do the fourth one, fifth one? Okay, I'll give you homework. The fifth one will be homework for you. Okay. Fifth one will be homework for you. Now question number 3. Find the value. Find the value. Value means you have to, first of all you have to simplify it and you have to find the value. You should not write in the form of powers. You have to multiply the powers and you have to write the answer. Okay. First one. 3 to the power 0 plus 4 to the power minus 1 into bracket 2 to the power 2. So now, you know the laws now. Anything raised to 0 is how much? Anything raised to 0 is 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. So 3 raised to 0 is 1. Now 4 to the power minus 1 means that is 1 upon 4. 1 upon 4. Into 2 to the power 2 means 2 square means how much? 2 into 2, that is 4. Now, what is LCM is 4 here. So 4 plus 1 divided by 4 into 4. This 4 get cancelled. What remains? 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. 5 is the answer. Now the next question. Question number 2 now. 2 to the power minus 1. 4 to the power minus 1. Bracket close. Divided by 2 to the power minus 2. 2 to the power minus 2. Same thing it is. Now 1 upon 2 into 1 upon 4. You might be remembering the formula, that is a to the power minus 1 is how much? 1 upon a. Okay. This is multiplication, division, sorry. So it becomes 1 upon 2 to the power minus 4 means 2 to the power 2. Minus sign gone it is. Minus sign gone. Now, how much it is? 1 upon 2 4s are 8. Okay. Now, if you want to change division into multiplication, what happens? Hey, first of all, we'll write as it is. 2 square is how much? 4. Okay. Now, 1 upon 8 as it is. If you want to change this division into multiplication, what happens? Reverse happens. 4 upon 1. The numerator becomes denominator and the denominator becomes numerator. 4 ones are 4 twos are. So 1 upon 2 is the answer. 1 upon 2 is the answer. Now we'll do the third one, third example. One upon 2 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 3 to the power minus 2 plus 1 upon 4 to the power minus 2. Okay, now just look here. I told you, if you want to change the powers negative into positive, what you have to do? Reverse. So change numerator into denominator and denominator into numerator, then the result will be the power becomes positive. Power becomes positive. 2 square is 4, 3 square is 9, 4 square is 16. 25 plus 4 is 29. 25 plus 4 is 29. So it is nowadays, it is very difficult. It is difficult that I am not understanding whether you're following this or not. How this 1 upon 2 becomes 2. You can write 2 upon 1 it is. If you can write 2 upon 1, 3 upon 1, 4 upon 1. So the denominator 1, that is having no value. So I am not writing it. Okay. So even directly you can write like that. Okay, now the next question, that is fourth one. Okay. What is the fourth question now? 3 to the power minus 1 plus 4 to the power minus 1 plus 5 to the power minus 1 whole to the power 0. Whole to the power 0. Anybody guess what is the answer? The direct answer for it is 1. Why? anything raised to 0 is 1, because if the bracket is not there, then the answer would be different. But all these three are included in a bracket and the power is 0. So therefore the answer is, you can write anything raised to 0 is 1. Anything raised to 0 is 1. This is how the fourth example. Now the last one now, fifth one. If you know the formulas, laws, it is very easy now. You can solve as many as examples. Okay. Fifth one now. Minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 whole to the power 2 plus 2 it is. Okay. Okay, plus 2 it is now. Now you know the formula, that is a to the power m to the power n is equal to what? A to the power m into n or mn. Now according to that, minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 2 into 2 is how much? Minus 2 into 2. That is how much? Minus 2 upon 3 to the power minus 4. To the power minus 4. Okay now? Okay, now as I told you, if you want to make the power as positive, just what you have to do? Just reverse the base number. Reverse the base number. So what is here? The minus sign is there, just it will not change. The denominator becomes numerator and numerator become the denominator. Now what happens? Minus becomes plus. Minus become plus. Minus become plus. Now I told you, when the power is even, and the base is negative, the result will be always positive. That is minus 3 raised to 4 divided by 2 raised to 4. If 3 is multiplied 4 times, what is the answer? 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. 3 3s are 9, 9 3s are 27, 27 3s are 81. 2 to the power 4 is 16. So this is the answer for the fifth one. So this is how the questions are very easy if you know how to calculate, and if you follow the laws carefully. And here everywhere you can see the formulas, which formulas used, which laws are used. So in that you need to remember all the laws. You have to, again I told you in the previous class and from the last few days, I am telling you to write it down, all the formulas in a separate book. And whenever I will call you to the school to deposit your copy, you have to deposit along with your notebook and this formula book, so that I will understand how much you worked hard for the examination. Okay, thank you very much. We'll meet tomorrow once again. Thank you. Goodbye.